Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to use split screen mode on your Pixel 8 Pro device. Swipe up and hold. View all the recent apps. Tap on the app icon. Here you can see the split screen option. Tap on it. Now select the another app you want to use as a split screen on your device. Now here you can see two screen. One is a Flipkart and another is a YouTube. You can access two apps at the same time using the split screen mode on your device. To adjust the size, tap and hold the middle and swipe up to adjust the size. Again tap and hold and swipe down to increase or decrease the size on your device. If you want to close split screen mode, swipe up at the top or swipe down to exit the split screen mode on your device. It's quite easy. Just swipe up and hold, tap any app, split screen and select the another app. Not all apps supported split screen mode, so make sure app supported split screen on your device. Now easily access to application at the same time on your Pixel 8 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.